Everybody knows that the coin matrix is one of the most difficult routines to perform in coin magic. Now you can receive the same payoff, but with minimal effort. You know what you get in packs of cards that everyone throws away? Exactly, the instructions, yeah, I know, right? How to use a pack of playing cards.
No, there is.
So I don't throw the jokers away, I do throw the instructions away. So we're going to try something with these, and we've got a bunch of them here. We're not going to use all of them, we're just going to use a few of them. Fair? Yeah? Alright, cool. So, I'm going to need 4 people to help me, and funny enough, there's 4 of you. So that's super helpful. Hey, where are you going, Greg? Sit down, Andre. Okay, so we're gonna use some jokers. So if everyone could hold one hand out for me, that'd be great. I'll move those. Amazing. Perfect. So joker number 1. In fact, you get to hold on something. Can you put your other hand on top? Perfect. Joker number 2. Number 3. Yeah, you can put your hand on them as well. And joker number 4 goes on there. We don't need these ones really. They're just spares. Okay. So the aim of the game is going to make the jokers vanish and appear in one place. Yeah, it just got real. All right, you ready?
Ooh, I felt it.
Did the joker vanish? Okay. Well, I did say the jokers were going to vanish. I didn't say the playing card was going to vanish. So if the joker's gone from here, the joker's gone from here, and the joker's gone from here, hopefully they've all found their friend on one playing card. 4 jokers are handed out to your spectators. They can sandwich them between their hands. Upon your command, you make 3 of the jokers vanish from their cards and appear on the 4th and final card, leaving 4 impossible objects that your spectators can check out.
That joker's gone. This joker's gone. This joker has vanished as well. Where, oh where could the missing jokers be? Oh, as promised, they have all joined the leader.
This is one of my favourites of DARYL's classic routines. This is Bizarre Assembly.